snakes bruise in chambers deep where the laws confuse. I carefully uncovered the truth. Oh yes, a golden giant, my ultimate success. Vorak the guardian, a sentinel vast, a relic of destiny, a shadow of the past. Oh, Hylian Kale, reign, it's all divine. I totally follow the destined line. A ship of wonder, a creation sublime, a purpose revealed in the sands of time. From sparks of belief I rise to reign, to seize the skies and break the chain. Through jungles thick the signs did call. I totally answered and claimed it all. A claw descending, crunching trees, lifting the world with sacred ease into the ship. Oh yes, come aboard, a voyage to realms unexplored. The earring of gold, oh what a gift. I totally knew it would make the shift. When Vorak awoke, oh his sorrow burned, but I promised him the truth I'd learned. Together we soared, the plan so grand, the petals of earth shaped by our hand. Oh Hylian Kale, rhyme, it's all divine. I totally follow the destined line. A ship of wonder, a creation sublime, a purpose revealed in the sands of time. From sparks of belief I rise to reign, to seize the skies and break the chain. On Zesvin shores where giants roam, I totally found my destined home.